We are here, the crab track, ready to go, rock and roll. We are going to show you how we prepare the car, which is in behind, for the crossing tomorrow morning and going all the way, 70K. Wish us good luck. Here is the crossing. Have a look. Beautiful. Now we prepare the car for the crossing. First of all, we take the air pressure down to 20 psi to get the best traction. So that's how we're doing it. We take the cap off and we start taking. Next step, we are going to prepare the winch in case we are stuck, to be ready, that we don't have to start pushing it. So we are ready to get out from the from here. There is a gouge here, which we say engage, engage. So we release it, now we engage it back. The winch ready to go. So if we are stuck, we don't have to start all this process. We just take the wire and rock and roll. This is ready to go. So just take it out and off it and use it. A safety feature, if you look up here, you see we opened the roof. In a case we are going to be stuck and cannot open the door, we are going to escape. That's a safety feature which gives us another option in a case that we are in trouble. Now a couple of steps in the car. First of all, this is the map and you can see that's where we are now, and basically this is the truck, this is the crab track, and we just following it, crossing the river, and we are on track. Secondly, engage to low gear, of course four-wheel drive, and you can see that we got it inside here, which give us the indication that it's on. And the last one is here. This is the rear diff lock, which already engaged. That to give us much more power and to be sure that we are going to cross with no drama. There are the features which are important, and we are going to make it. Finally, we are crossing! Yeah! Thanks God! We're making it! If it's raining, it's almost impossible. Almost impossible. It's a hard way. It's just, you're just sweeping, from side to side. Daintree rainforest, here we come. Wow! My dream come through. Look at that. What a track. Now I understand 70K, how long it takes. All day. No, it's not like this all day, that's for sure. But we're climbing. Rock and roll, something in front of us. That's lovely. You want to have a swim? You can have a swim. Look how beauty. Wow. Amazing. down.
Nice and steady.
I like it.
Look on the falls, the waterfall, the noise. Just a piece of heaven here. And we're going to have our drink here, right?
Tina and myself are in heaven now, right? Baby? The car is... Where is mine?
Just yours.
And where is yours? Look on this place. Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers. Look on the place. Look at that. Heaven. Well, we survived the crab track, all safe and good. It was a challenging, but not up to the extreme. But I always recommend such a track not to do by yourself, in a case something will happen. And now we are in Cooktown, ready to go for the next one, which will be Cape Marvel. Cape Marvel, it's a up top, very remote place on the ocean. We are going to cross a couple of rivers, creeks. It will take us, I believe, 1 or 2 days. And when we'll come to a reception area, about 5 days, I recommend it, we'll send you more excitement about us, more videos, more photos. We look forward to hear from you too. Take care, bye.